Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, then make sure you go and click the red subscribe button down below and also tap on the bell icon so that you'll be notified for each and every video that I will be uploading hereafter. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple go-to makeup tutorial for dusky skin people. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I have done this makeup right here on her. This is my sister-in-law, so I'm going to show you guys the entire tutorial of this makeup right here. So if you want to know this, then keep on watching.
Hey, pop the trunk, I open up, I saw myself. Price out of sight, and my whole got talent.
guys, this is the makeup that we have created. I hope you really like this video. So many of you guys have been asking me to create makeup for dusky skin people, and yeah, I have found her finally. So I have done this makeup tutorial for her. I hope you liked it. If you really like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up and also subscribe below if you haven't subscribed yet. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Kirti and Rohini. Bye. ஆனா ஆயிலி ஹேருக்கு மேக்கப்னு சொல்லி காட்டலாம். என்ன ட்ரை பண்றீங்க?
யார தேடுற உள்ள?
அதுல இப்படி பார்க்க நல்லா இருக்கதா பார்த்தேன்.
எதுல? இதுல பண்ணுங்க பாப்போம்.